Alright guys, so if you're trying to set up your NYC DOE email address, what you're going to do first is go to this site here and you're going to put in your OSIS and your birth date. So I'm stealing my nephew's OSIS and I'm going to put that in right here. 220. And you're going to put in your birthday. And you're going to hit continue. You're then going to get your username. So Miss Jackson's going to copy that, Control C, just so that you have it later. Right? Hit continue. You're going to set a new password. I suggest making it something that you're going to remember. So for money, I'm just going to put Madiba1. Madiba1. Right, and you're going to update that password. Not long enough. Okay. Talk about people not reading directions. That's Miss J right now. Madiba1. And I'm going to put an exclamation point. Madiba1. And an exclamation point. Update password. This is being difficult. Madiba1. Madiba1. Oh, there we go. Update password. Boom. So now you have your new password. So now you're going to log into Google Classroom like you've been doing. Right, so let Miss Jackson use another account. The only difference is your email now. So your email is going to be that username that it gave you, plus you're going to add the ending. Okay, the only difference is you're going to add this ending here. So at nycstudents.net. And then you're going to hit next. Right. So let's make sure this is Madiba1. And I am going to save that password. So boom, sign in here. Sign in should be K Jackson. Or was it Kamani? Oh man, hold on guys. Alright, so the only difference is I'm going to change this to that same username that we had before. And then I'm going to put his password. And then, of course, it's going to send you an email to say if it's you. You hit continue. You hit accept. And then you see you're in your new Google Classroom. That's your student. And then you should be able to join your classes. Now, your teachers have invited you to join classes. Miss J is gonna see if I can invite him to join my class and see what happens. Okay, so your teachers already have classes set up for you that looks like this. People, I'm just gonna try them out in 601. And then I'm going to put Kamani J2. And then I'm going to invite him. And let's see what that looks like for you guys. So this classes. Gonna refresh it. Boom. So now it's telling him that he can either join this class or decline the class. You guys are going to join the class, and then you'll be able to see all your work from all your teachers. Okay? So, hope that was helpful for you guys. Have a good one. Remember that you're logging in without the ending for that email, except for when you first try it. Okay? All right.